In this video, I'll show you how to add a black screen in Filmora. Let's say I have 2 clips on my timeline. Now, if I want to add a black screen at the beginning, I'll first select all the clips and drag them to the right to make space. If the clips keep snapping together automatically, disable the magnetic timeline by clicking the Disable Magnetic Timeline button on the left above the timeline, or simply press P to toggle it off. Next, click on Stock Media from the top left menu. Then, go to the Library section just below it. Choose Solid Color. Scroll through the options until you find the black tile. Now drag that black color tile onto your timeline wherever you want the black screen to appear. You can adjust the duration of the black screen by dragging its edge left or right. If you want to place a black screen between 2 clips, just move the clips apart and drop the black screen into the gap. This is a useful trick for adding dramatic pauses, text segments, or smooth transitions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.